my channel and welcome back to a new video. So this video is about the jewelry haul part 1. So in the part 1 of video I'll be sharing you my necklace haul. So there are huge collection of necklaces, mine and my mom's together. So I'm going to share everything in this. I guess I've already done, but I'll be sharing all the necklaces that we have. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And I'll be telling the prices, approximate prices, and also places where I got those. So first let's start with these necklaces. So I stored all the necklaces in Ziploc cover so that air will not pass into it and the color of it doesn't get fade off. So don't leave them left out because the color of some of the necklaces will be getting faded off by exposing to moisture air. So that's the reason I kept in Ziploc covers. And first one goes here. For most of the necklaces, it's a pair with earrings too. And this one is the first one, and a lot of necklace collection that I have belongs to the pearl category because pearls were in trend and also trending now. So that's the reason my mother prefers pearl necklaces rather than normal. They were normal necklaces too. I'll be showing each and everything. And yeah, this one is the first one with a bright blue pearl and a very heavy locket, just a small pearl down. With this is a bright blue, maybe you can't see it in the camera, with such a bright royal blue with gold buttons on the middle. For this, the earrings are small hangings. And yeah, one more thing I need to say, the small earrings. For the heavy necklaces, it's better to have the small hangings or either the studs and not the heavy earrings. But if you are a heavy earring person, then avoid wearing necklace. If you are a small hanging person or the small stud person, then definitely prefer necklaces. So cute earrings. This is the first set. And next comes this one, just a normal white pearl, nothing much detail without the earring, just the simple pearl chain, perfect matchy for your ethnic wear like wearing the kurti set or salwar suits. This will be perfect wear, and all the necklaces that I am showing now can be worn on a sari, off sari, lehenga, or either on a small ethnic salwar suits or the kurti sets. So simple but so elegant. Next one is this one. So even this actually belongs, those two I didn't remember where I brought and also prices because these are such an old collection and I wasn't remember about those. But this one we brought it nearby our house when we were living in the Ramantapur. So these two are from there. But don't ask me about the price, I don't remember. Even this set, this necklace has the earrings, but one of the earrings have lost and we are not using the other earring. But the chain is so simple, but this is such a cute and elegant one. See, wearing this one thing to and also earrings were in their shape, but the earrings were also so good, but we lost it. So this is a simple locket. And also whole thing with red. You can actually like wear it this as the earrings too. So these are such a good and a good. Even the quality of all the pearls that are there was such in a good quality. So you even have the guarantee. But one advice is that if you store this in a place where there is no moisture, perfume, or else the air exposing, then these last for a long time. And also before, like everyone prefer to wear perfume, so do it before you wear the necklaces, and after don't spray the perfume on your necklace, they get damaged, any kind of necklaces. So this locket is also perfect. Look at this guys, the green one with white pearl and green pearl. Such a good one. And even earrings are same as the locket. So all this on my mom's, even I'll be wearing, but perfectly suits for my mom because I'm a heavy earrings person and doesn't like these shirts or small. So next comes this one. This is also the very old collection, and this also doesn't come. This actually had the earrings, but they were lost somewhere when we were shifting our house. So flower black and white, black and white. And next comes this one. These are all the new collections. These from the necklace is from the West Pantaloons, I guess, I didn't remember. And this one is a mismatch pairing. The earrings are not for this, but the ones that we got in W, we are paired up with this because it perfectly gets suited. So it is such a cute one. Looks like this all over. So it's a different color, a multicolored neck piece. So these are not the earrings that belongs to this necklace, but having paid with these necklace because even this is of multicolor and even that is of multicolor. So this perfectly gets suited for the ethnic wear and it's a replica of the gold necklace. So those who can't afford the gold can absolutely try this out. Such a cute small neck piece, but detailing of it is a very different. Look at this locket. See. Such a simple, there is a short neck piece and such a simple one. Look at this, guys. And even as the earrings, struts again. Get this chain even in Meesho, it's available just for 190, 109 or something, around 150. So you can get it. And this one I wore it when we went to Swanagiri temple. Look at this, a huge neck piece with the Radha Krishna symbol over here. And all over chain it looks like this. Perfect for Janmashtami or perfect suit ISKCON temple. And earrings and such. So these for me, like hangings are a bit heavy in a medium way. That's the reason. And next is this one. This is the recent pearl set which we own or for the marriage purposes. So see, guys, this is really a definite buy piece, I say. Look at this locket. This one piece will highlight your whole outfit. Even if your sari or lehenga is just a simple one, just wear this on it and you get that perfect Indian look. Look at this light sea green pearls and white detailing on it, white beads detailing. And so talking about the locket, look at these stones in the middle and yeah, look at the detailing, such a cute one. So I can't wait on this because it doesn't suit to me on this outfit. So that's why I'm just keeping it like this and showing you. Because for sarees with that necklace, yes. My mom tried it, but definitely this time when I wear the lehenga which gets suited to this, I'll use this one. And next one is this one more pearl set, violet. The green one and the gold color one that I showed you, we got in Dilshanar, a small shop. I wasn't sure about the name, but if I know it, I'll mention in the description. You can just check out there. You'll get the violet pearls. So whenever you prefer to wear this dark violet, prefer to wear a sari in this color, the lavender color, so that it gets perfectly suited. So look here, it's like a real idol. And again a small pearls in the bottom and all over chain, it's like this. On the earrings we have the Lakshmi Devi, Venkateswamy and Lakshmi, perfect for the festivals, guys. the order from Cred. So it's the first time that we order something jewelry rated in Cred. So even this is such a cute one, a replica of the diamond necklace. So this exactly looks like the diamond. See, just a small necklace, but it's a perfect suit for anything. For lehengas, this is perfectly set, and even earrings are just small studs, small hangings. That's it. It's much with not much heavy. And the next chain is this one. This one we actually purchased in airport when we went to the Delhi. So actually we had time for boarding. So before that we went for shopping and my brother had purchased this for my mom. So look at this. This is just as good as that. It's for normal, simple, small parties. This will be perfect good. And see here, the yellow, because yellow gets matched with red, green, pink also. So multi-use. So this one we ordered in Myntra. So till now that I showed you, all the necklaces belongs to range of 1500 and below 1500 range, and not maximum 1800, not exceeding the 1800 range. 1800 or below 1800. Next one there is also Myntra. Even this one is also around 1500. This actually has Radha Krishna on it. Look at this. Cute Radha Krishna dancing on it, and all over the green girls. All over the green girls. See. And the earrings for this are the huge earrings. Even that we have the Radha Krishna dancing on it. Manisha 1 gram gold jewelry in Dilshunar. Most of purchases are from Dilshunar itself. So this actually didn't have the earrings, so we paid up with different kind of stuff. So first let me share the studs with you. These ones are from Kushal. So these studs. And the neck piece I'll show you. You just tell me whether it gets matched with this or not. This is a choker. So for that middle, this flower, the studs get matched. Look at this. Yeah, exactly it got matched, though it is a mismatched pair. So it's choker and it looks like this. And this also is just 1000 rupees. This costed a bit lot. Even this is from Manish Jewelry, but it's worth to that cost actually, saying is. See, this is the huge necklace my mom wore it to my mama's wedding. If you had checked out the wedding video, you would have identified this chain. See, such a huge one. Even for lehenga, it's a perfect suit. So we have the Lakshmi Devi and the elephants on the locket. See, with white pearls on it. The elephant detailing on it. And next is from Kushal. So the next two are from Kushal's. And this is a long back purchase even. And even this didn't cost much. The previous one that I showed you was around 3000. So this like this with this locket. So this actually the Bharatanatyam dance people wear this kind of necklaces, so that kind of detailing is on this, and even the small studs on it. Small studs. this was around 1500 such. And next one is also from Kushal. This is 3000. This is actually the Mother's Day gift from my brother. This one I wore it for a wedding. I didn't remember which, but I wore it. That is my mom. Contains Lakshmi Devi in the center with peacocks. This actually looks like real gold. Look at this. Such a beauty it is. And also earrings we got booties. So jhumkas we got for this. A small jhumkas for this. See, that heavy these jhumkas will be the perfect set. So one last piece we have the necklaces. Let's look at it. So this contains the random neck pieces. So different kinds of necklaces are kept in this. So next one is this green pearl one, just a simple neck piece. This one actually there was exhibition at our community, so that time my mother purchased it. Huge chakra neck piece. It's like chakra only, and simple chain over there. See, there is a thread neck piece from Pantaloon, so we need to tie it on the back. So it comes like this. This is perfectly suit for floral kurtis. Whenever we go to beach, this will be the perfect suit. Wearing it as a choker, you can wear it like this. So you can wear it like this. It will be the, like whenever you wear a floral kurtis, like this it will be a different way. So this is how it looks, and yeah, this is my huge necklace collection, part 1 of the jewelry vlog. Also, it's been such a long time that I've done something I've done since a long time, and yeah, that's it for this video. Let's meet with part 2 of jewelry haul. Stay tuned for more jewelry, and I'm going to share with you everything: bangles, earrings, and even ear accessories. Many asked even the watches collection. I'll be sharing that also, but that will be the last video of this series. So let's begin this new series and also the end of this video. I hope you all like this, and also you can purchase this as they're just reasonable. All the shop details and everything will be in description. You can check it out. So I like, share, comment to this video and subscribe for more videos. Click on the bell icon to subscribe so which you upload get the video notification. Bye guys, let's meet in next video with a new video. And then bye bye, take care.